Observers attribute the lower COV premiums to the government's cooling measures, which took effect in the first quarter of this year. Going forward, analysts have mixed views on the outlook for COV premiums.
Currently, the COVs has come to a point where it is not going any much lower. Based on our Propnex data, the COV for the month of April has already gone up to a median at 23,000, which is back to where we were starting prior to the first quarter.
For the first quarter of 2011, the price of resale flats rose 1.6%. This is higher than the 2.5% increase in the previous quarter. Meanwhile, median sublet rents in Q1 remain relatively stable, with increases from one-room and five-room flats and decreases from two-room flats. Subletting transactions rose by 8% to 6,365 cases. Some analysts believe COV premiums will likely continue to fall as a result of new supply coming on stream. Separately, HDB says it will launch another 3,185 flats in Hougang, Sembawang, Sengkang and Punggol. This will bring the total supply of new BTO flats this year to 22,000. Last year, a total of 16,000 BTO flats were offered.
I think the fact that there's going to be 22,000 new HDB dwellings out in the marketplace and government's ramping up in terms of its development machinery to develop more HDB properties. I think that itself will mean that vendors cannot hold on to their COV asking prices.
Despite the supply of new flats, Mr. Han believes there could be a 1 to 2% uptake in HDB resale prices in the next 1 or 2 quarters. Mr. Ismail also thinks the resale prices will trend up as new supply of BTO flats are not a perfect substitute for the resale units.